Hello everybody, welcome back to my nail channel. Today I want to do a little haul of a few new collections that I got my hands on and a few other little bits as well, tools, essentials. All these are from Zillabeau. You can use my discount code James10 for 10% off. I do believe that's attached to an affiliate, so anything you buy using my code, I will get a little bit of money for. I think that's how it works. It's affiliated in some way. And of course, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Let me start with this. This is something I feel like everybody who wants to get into doing DIY nails at home should invest in. And it's not really much of an investment because this was actually incredibly affordable. This is the Love Yourself Self-Nail Care Kit from Lucanus, I believe it is. They say, enjoy convenient and comfortable nail care anytime, anywhere with the Lucanus Self-Nail Care Kit. Make you always be beautiful. That's nice, isn't it? In here, ooh. Look, they tell you the steps you need in order to prep your nails, which I think is really nice. Oh, look how nicely like pack it. I kind of don't want to ruin that. So in here you get their My Nail Nipper, which looks like a good sharp nail nipper. Let's get something in a little bag here. You get a dust brush, which is essential for making sure that you don't get any leftover dust in your nails, because that's going to lead to lifting. You also get a metal pusher, so you can push your cuticle back with the top there and then remove any kind of like dead skin with the other side as well. They're not too hard. Oh, they feel a little bit scrapey actually, so you do have to go careful with it. You also get 3 different types of files, which are really, really good for nail prep. What are these ones? You get an edge file, a sanding file, and a 2-way buffer. A cuticle remover pen, which I love in this kind of like brush form. Just for accuracy of where you're putting it, because I hate when it goes all over my finger, and some of them can make me quite itchy actually. So that'd be interesting to see. And then a cuticle oil pen as well. Just there as well with some oil in it. Maybe refillable? I don't know, but it's a good starting point. All good additions to have in your kit, all good additions to prep nails and also finish nails as well once you've done your whole set. All that for £31, that's pretty good, down from 37. Very good for beginners. Recently my favorite UV lamp broke. It was the leaf gel one, which was really, really annoying and it's really expensive. And I think it was my fault that it broke because I lost the lead for it and then I tried to replace it with another one, which wasn't the right wattage and all that kind of stuff. And I pretty much destroyed it. So when I saw that the Zillabeau's own one was on sale for £95, I think I usually pay over £200 for a really good UV lamp. I was like, I need to get it. So this has everything that you need and would want on a nail lamp. So you have your 10 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and 120-second low heat mode. They have something called false nail mode as well. So you press and hold the button for 3 seconds to enable nail tip mode. This feature will keep the curing light on throughout the whole curing time, making it convenient for nail tips. And you can also turn off the beeping, which is really, really nice as well. This charges up in about 4 hours. It is wireless. Rechargeable kind of thing. But yeah, it's just really, really good, really fucking bright, which is what we like. I used, not to name and shame brands, but I used like an at-home brand lamp. It just wasn't good enough. It wasn't good enough. It was dark. There was about 5 lights in it. I was like, I can't carry on doing my nails with this lamp because I'm worried nothing will cure. So luckily this came literally the day after and I could finish my nails safely. But yeah, this is really, really good. Really, really good. Really sturdy. This bottom bit is removable as well if you want to remove it for any reason. I personally like to keep it in just as a good guide on where to put your hands and so the white can reflect as well. Yeah, 95, I was like, these lamps are usually an investment and 95 is still a lot of money, but you usually pay a lot more for a nail lamp. And even when it's not on sale, it's about £120, 119, still a bargain for a lamp. So let's get into actual collections now. Tiny, I would say, is one of the more popular Korean gel nail brands. And this is their Tiny Champagne Soda Pop Pop collection. It's 8 magnetic colors. It's still in stock, which, surprises me, and on sale at the moment for £107 down from 130. So in here you get, of course, your nail stand for if you want to swatch the nails. That's really cute. Show you there. Just kind of slots in there like a bit of cardboard, and you can swatch and put them all in there. You get a magnet in here. I'll be honest, I never like these round cylindrical magnets that come with them. I kind of find them a little bit too strong sometimes. So I just use one of those plasticky square ones. But yes, it's 8 magnetic colors. I will be swatching these collections throughout the week and posting them as shorts and over on my Instagram as well. If you want to see what these look like when they're swatched, I will put pictures up however now. But yeah, knowing Tiny, these are going to be amazing quality. Like the color payoff, the magnet payoff, pigment payoff is going to be amazing. What I love about Tiny as well, as someone who's still beginning and still like playing around, is they're so easy to use, they're so user friendly, they're so pigmented as well that you don't have to keep going back and adding more color and more color. And these are great colors that can stand alone. Really looking forward to swatching these, so keep an eye on my shorts throughout the week. With a lot of these collections, the packaging can sometimes be limited. So when you see all the fancy packaging, you're not always guaranteed to get that fancy packaging. I don't believe this collection did come with any fancy packaging other than this, but this is the Leav Spring Breeze collection. You get 4 syrups and 4 glitters. I describe this as almost like a really toned down summery set, in the sense that if you don't like those really bright colors, like traditionally known for summer, this is like a really nice set to go for. And then the glitters add like a little bit something extra. I want to use glitters more, especially going into like winter and the Christmassy months, because I don't know, I'm a little bit scared of glitter. I don't love playing around with it. In Korean gel brands, the glitters aren't clunky, they're not ugly, they're not tacky, as some can be. So I think it'd be nice to see glitters with these more muted kind of summery colors. Now, I did go for something a little bit brighter. This is the Riposo Personal Vivid Neon Collection. This is 10 colors for £130, down from 146, and these are neon. When you think of neon, when it comes to gel colors, sometimes the colors are actually just bright and they're not really that neon, but these are neon, and we have a really nice selection. I feel like sometimes you get like a green, yellow, orange, and a blue, and that's it, but we have variations of all those colors, and they kind of promise like that vibrant neon payoff in just one coat. So we will see, we'll kind of put those claims to the test later in the week. And they actually say themselves, they're self-leveling with trendy neon shades that are anything but tacky, because there is a fine line when it comes to neon between like trendy, summery, and tacky. And I feel like these aren't tacky at all. I wouldn't have got them if they were tacky. And of course, in here you get your swatching chart as well, which honestly I like to do just to like relax. It's quite relaxing. Finally, we have something else from Leav. This is their Lazy Days Happy Weekend collection. Again, you get your swatching chart in here, which is really cute. 8 syrup colors. And again, think summer, but summer evenings in a field drinking, at the pub, having a drink as the sun's setting, kind of summer, you know? End of day at a festival, you're going home, sun's setting. Not like summer as in, oh my God, like slushies and pool floats, you know, not that kind of stuff. So really nice, muted, yet vibrant, bright colors that I think will take you into autumn really, really nicely actually as well. They actually say this was inspired by the sunlight in autumn. There we go. Because they're syrups, you get a nice payoff in one coat with this brand from what I know. 2 coats, looks like a normal color. It goes from like a syrup to a normal. And then of course you could do amazing graduations with syrups as well. I'm looking forward primarily to trying the Lazy Days LVS 22, which is this one, which is a purpley shade, mainly because out of all the colors, that's probably the one color I'd wear on its own. All the rest will be like graduations and into each other. What I love about this brand in particular is they're known for their long-term retention. So even if you're not that great at doing nails, like me, they are gonna retain. They're gonna retain, obviously alongside good dehydration and priming of the nails. They have this like really smooth grip to them. They call it their ergonomic grip. It's just like a matte, I don't know, it's like a soft matte feeling to them. Then I like the long kind of like thicker handle as well of these polishes. Yeah, I don't know. I've been interested in this brand for a while. I've not got many. I think I've got like a couple of their colors that I've not really touched. So when I saw these sets, I was like, actually really like these. Like, let's give them a go. So yeah, let me know what you think about these sets down below if you're interested in any of them. Of course, you can buy most of these colors all individually, I believe, as well, over at Zillabeau. So I'll link them by the sets and then where you can find them individually. Listen, if you are getting into DIY nails, please invest in a good lamp. Oop. There's nothing worse than getting a terrible lamp from like Amazon or Temu that doesn't really work, that doesn't cure, then that's going to lead to allergies and irritation, lifelong allergies. So if anything, invest in a good lamp and good nail prep. Use code James10 for 10% discount over at Zillabeau, and I'll see you next time.